there, little chefs. Welcome back to Little Chef's Corner, where cooking is fun and super easy. Are you ready to mix, blend and sip? Let's go! Today, we're going to make something really yummy and healthy too. Smoothies! These are super cool drinks made from fruits, and they taste like a treat. First, let's look at the fantastic ingredients we'll need. Today's smoothie journey includes the following. You're gonna need 1 banana. Bananas make your smoothies creamy and really sweet. Okay, so now we have bananas. So, next we're gonna need 1 big cup of strawberries. So now we need half a cup of spinach. Don't worry, you won't even taste it, but it makes our smoothies very healthy. Next, you'll need a half cup of yogurt, your choice. This helps our smoothie thick and delicious. You can add a half cup of orange juice for a splash of fun. Last but not least, add some ice cubes to make our smoothies cool and really refreshing. Remember, you can mix and match with your favourite fruits too. Now, let's get blending. Are you ready, friends? Step 1. Start with the banana. Peel it, break it into chunks, and drop it into the blender. Step 2. Time for our red and juicy strawberries. Toss them in. Whoosh! Step 3. Now, here's a secret ingredient. Spinach. It's green and mighty, but we promise you won't even know it's in there. Step 4. Spoon in the yogurt. It's like giving your smoothie a big hug. Step 5. Pour in the orange juice for a zippy flavour. And finally, add a few ice cubes to make it super chill. Now, pop the lid onto your blender and let's make some magic. Ready, set, blend! Watch all the colours swell together into one amazing smoothie. Wow! Look at that! Smooth, creamy and bursting with flavour. Now, let's pour it into the glass. Now, here comes the best part. Tasting. Grab your straw and give it a swirl and take a sip. So good. It's sweet and fruity. And you never even guess there's spinach hiding in there. Sit, relax and enjoy. Remember, you can make your smoothie with any kind of fruits you like. Blueberries, mangoes, pineapples. The possibilities are endless. And it's not just tasty, it's super healthy too. So the next time you want a cool drink, why not whip up with a smoothie? Thanks for joining us today, little chefs. If you had fun making this smoothie, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more and easy recipes. See you next time. Happy blending!